Warren Oil Company was established by my grandfather in 1948 for a heating oil jobber in Chicago. Altom Transport's a 48-state common carrier with Canadian authority. I'm executive vice president. I oversee operations for all the companies. Altom Transport runs over 350 trucks, 700 tank trailers.
We have a fleet of premier late model Peterbilt's 348s and 579 day cabs. Our 348s are specialized in wet hosing fleets, delivering petroleum products directly to the customer's unit. It's a lot of traffic, it's a lot of start and stopping. They undergo severe idling, pumping on customers' job sites. We were using an unbranded diesel fuel, experiencing a bunch of difficulties with the after-treatment systems. Customers wouldn't see deliveries. Trucks would be on the side of the road, broke down. If the fuel's not in their fleet, then they can't move.
We love our equipment. We invest into our equipment just like we invest in our people. So we want nothing but the best. We were approached by Mobil 2.5 years ago to look at their diesel. We thought it would be a great fit for our fleet and our customers.
We converted over to Mobil Diesel Efficient, and ever since then, we have seen tremendous improvements in the after-treatment systems. Drivers are completely happy with it. They've seen more power. They've seen less fuel going into the fuel tanks on fill-ups. They're not getting the forced regens out on the road anymore. They're not getting the stop engine lights. They're not getting the D rate. They're able to make their deliveries and get back home. I don't get the late night phone calls anymore, waking me up out of bed, having to respond to a driver who's sitting on the side of the road and can't make his delivery.
Our drivers, they're seeing a difference. They're seeing their fuel economy obviously increasing. Our owner-operators are seeing a fuel economy increasing. We've had no problems with cold flow issues with our own fleet and our customers. We've had some bad winters over the last couple of years in the Midwest. There's been zero issues.
So the mechanics are super happy to it, and it makes them cleaner. I mean, this stuff is dirty. It makes the job easier to do. We don't see clogged faces anymore. It's a light dusting on the face of the DPF filter. The EGR tubes that they take apart and the EGR valves, sometimes they'll take them off, just inspection, lube them back up and put them back in. They won't even need to clean them. I was never a believer in just switching something that simple, and just putting in Mobil Diesel Efficient fuel in that gas tank has changed everything.
It's a great fuel, it's great technology. I recommend it to anyone that cares about their fleet.